What's the meaning of Air America Radio? Air America Radio. 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 Air America Radio was a progressive talk radio network founded in 2004. It featured various liberal-minded hosts and commentators who discussed political, social, and cultural issues from a left-leaning perspective. The network's programming also included news, music, and comedy shows. Despite gaining some popularity, Air America struggled with financial difficulties and eventually went off the air in 2010. Its legacy remains as one of the few attempts to establish a nationally syndicated progressive talk radio network in the United States.